Hi everyone. We are Team 2X, and we are representing fankaar AI. And let me start with the story first. So imagine Mohammed Bilal, a local artisan from Uttar Pradesh, who is a part of a centuries-old legacy. He has inherited his craft from his father, who before him was a great artist. Now, the problem that Bilal faces is that he finds it hard to connect it with newer audiences that reside mainly on social media. And this is where we step in. We aim to provide him with a marketing suite that he would be able to use to connect to all of the audiences out there, because we believe that social media is really the game changer of our generation, and AI too, right? So let's just start with this, right? So now we go to the now we start creating our marketing suite, right? We have two components here. We can fill in the form manually, right? And he can also go to the start recording page, just put in an audio file or record himself and give in his product image like here, right? And he would be able to get the same results. For the demo, I'm just using already pre-filled details from the text form, right? And I've already pre-filled his details, and obviously his target market is international. I've already filled the product image also, and now we click on the button, right? Now we get this loading screen. Yeah. So I would also like to delve into the technical aspects of our project, right? So this is the basic architecture of our project, right? So whenever we call whenever the guy from the front end hits enter create asset, right? This is the basic flow of what it follows. So essentially we have a lightweight classification model based on ResNet, right? And we have a price recommender. It first passes through this, right? Then it goes to our artisan agent, right? Where the artisan agent is really an orchestrator, and the classification helps the product description by augmenting it, right? And we then after that we are able to call different services like the inventory service by passing in the output that the agent has generated, right? And I would just like to go through the this architecture also, right? And then we have the inventory, we have social media, we have different storages, etc. Right? We also plan to integrate different social media like including Instagram and Facebook also. So it really is a seamless integration for the product. Yeah. So here is the marketing suit for him, right? We have given him a, like a price recommended price. We have determined what his product title should be. What we have also used an image classifier here. I'm getting the technical details of it later, right? This is the style, right? This is the artist name, right? We were also able to identify where this artist from, right? We are able to identify different things like themes, colors in his picture, etc. Right? Now we go to the real juice of the suit, and this is the input here, right? We have enhanced images. We have generated AI generated images. We have used AI for all of this, right? We have determined history, right? We were able to determine where this product really is coming from, right? Using different. So there are two aspects of the product really: the historical significance of the art itself, the legacy, and the look why Uttar Pradesh itself is famous for this art, right? The story suit is here too. We are also sort of showing where exactly on the map it is located also, right? We are also giving an inventory idea. So India is the land of festivals, and here we are able to generate we are able to call an API that is returning us the recent festivals that are about to happen, and we are able to give him design suggestions based on them that maybe can hit those markets using the festival, right? And I'll also try to show you this, right? Here we have used Google's image gen API, right? And suppose I give him this sari. Now, while this would take some time to generate, right? I would move on to the other panels. Basically, here what it would show is a new a design for a site that he can really implement on his own. And these are different advertisement banners. There's a YouTube advertisement banner. There's a traditional advertisement banner, right? There's also some description based. You can also download these images. We also made a comic story for his particular art form, which is pretty unique because we feel like the youth really connects with memes and pictorial representation of advertisements. And these are some social media post reviews that we have used. We have also
Namaste.
images,
Let me tell you.
right? And this is almost a one. This can be used for YouTube, etc. And social media. We have already posted this video on YouTube. So if you click on this link, right? We would be able to go to the link that was AI generated and posted
Namaste.
here. We have also generated other video assets for him, and there are some FAQs also that could be helpful for the end user, right? And now if we go to the product listing of this asset, right, we can also go to the main overview, but I would like to go here and go to the product listing of the artifact. So we have made a product listing based on the recommended price, right? And we have made a product story. This is more of a customer facing website, right? Or web page compared to the other one, which was more artisan facing, right? We already have all of this, right? We have product videos also, right? And yeah, there are two type of videos. There's a storytelling video and then there's a reel video, and we have again product reviews again. And here there's a whole suite of products that we have generated. Yeah, and it finally loaded, right? So here is a suggestion, an AI suggested design that he can implement on his own. So yeah, that